Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on a Friday, July the 14th. Tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 5-box break to start off our night. It is one of the Gold Rush autographed jerseys from 2017. More importantly, it is 4 of our boom boxes. Boom boxes are a product exclusive to our channel only. You want to break them, you got to show up to Boom City Breaks on YouTube, breakers.tv, or Twitch. We did random team sales for this break, as you can see on the left. We have already randomized customers and teams. We then alphabetized the customers so everyone could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them ample opportunity to trade. Don't look like anything's going. Here we go. Pop. Yep, and I'll update the total with them in just 1 minute. Looks like we got something green. Is that going to be the Papale again? Yep. The Papale, or whatever the heck his name is. That is an invincible Vince Papale. Guys, invincible Vince Papale. Let me... Dang it, I hid bags here. I'm sorry, guys. Let me grab a bag. Throw that baby in real quick. Alright, and who's got the Eagles, folks? Sorry, I don't mean no. Well, that's real JMO. That is going to be a real JMO hit. Gets the Papale with the Eagles. Alright, here we go. Alright, guys, moving on to boom boxes. Once again, y'all, boom boxes are a product exclusive to our channel and our channel only. We got 4 boom boxes to break here, guys. We got them all stacked in front of us. If I can find my razor knife once more. Pop of your seal of a box number 1. Well, we got to get off to a little bit better start than this, guys. I love the jersey. I think this player is going to do pretty darn well this year. Not the highest end hit yet, but once again, example of a jersey that, we try to put in here, guys, that, we thought at least had potential for you, guys. This is a jersey that could still possibly go up if he plays up to expectations and stays healthy, folks. So that is a Baltimore Raven hit, folks. Baltimore Ravens. M. Mosier. It's one of our customers from Facebook. Here we go. See if we can get on to some bigger and better things. Okay, yep, bud. Let me finish my break. Yep, and I'll update it right after that, Ver. Let me finish my break and my recording and everything. Ooh. Well, this is a very nice jersey, guys. I like this jersey a lot. I'm hoping you all do. It's not something we pull a lot, folks. I haven't pulled it in a long time, folks. But that there is gonna be the Neon Dion. That is the Deion Sanders Atlanta Falcons version this time, guys. Really love this jersey, man. Beautiful colors on these babies, and once again, one of the all-time great players. There's Atlanta. Dayton's right at the top of our list. Hits himself at very nice. Neon Deion Sanders. Once again for the Atlanta Falcons this time. Guys, Deion's in there for a little bit of everybody, I think. For just about everybody he played for. So 49ers. Cowboys. Yeah. Here we go, guys. Last 2 boxes of our 5 box. Well, again, it's a guy we've been pulling a lot, guys. I'm gonna maybe have to mix up a little more, but he's a great player once again, guys, and it's definitely far, far, far from a bad hit. That is a Matty Cooper. That is Cooper, folks. Who has Oakland? Who has Oakland? Oakland. Why can't I find Oakland? Nomad. That is a Nomad hit. Once again, got a great, beautiful silver sig on the black numbers. Always looks super sweet in my eyes, being part of a Raider Nation. I'm telling you guys, I don't care what y'all say, they're going to have a good playoff run this year. Y'all watch. That is a Nomad hit. All right, this is our last box in our 5 box up, folks. We'll see. Well, guys, there you go. That there is going to be a Le'Veon Bell. That is going to be the honeybee, folks. That is going to be the honeybee. Le'Veon Bell, Pittsburgh. A bumblebee, whatever, honeybee. Who the hell is Pittsburgh? Pittsburgh. Good Lord. Why can't I find these teams tonight? Pittsburgh. That's right. It's the last one on the bottom. Waterford, folks. Well, again, not a bad 5 boxer, guys. Maybe not a super high end one, but a very, very, very solid one all the way around, guys. You got the Honeybee Le'Veon Bell, the Neon Dion Atlanta Falcons, Amari Cooper. And, again, the Papale. So, not a bad 5 boxer all in all. But, once again, we are due F-bomb tickets here coming up, guys. Have a good one.